Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set scale in Bluebeam. Now, before taking any measurement in Bluebeam Review, it's important to set the page scale. All right, so it actually ensures that every length, area, perimeter, and volume measurement you create is accurate. I'm going to show you how that can be done. First, you have to open your PDF drawing in Bluebeam Review. The next thing is to assess the page scale settings. You can do this in either of two ways. That's go to the tool, select measure, and then choose set scale, or you can just go ahead and click scale indicator on the status bar at the bottom of the window. If no scale has been assigned, it will display the scale not set. Then click on apply scales to pages. Dialog box will appear, and from there just decide how you want to set the scale. So first off, let's get the PDF drawing open. All right, so now the PDF drawing is available here. As you can see, this shape that I drew. So we're just going to head over to tools because we want to actually assess the page scale settings. So we can go ahead and click on tools and click on measure, and for measure you have this drop down. So from the drop down you have set scale, so just go ahead and select set scale and set the scale. So you're going to have to click on, so once you click on that, it's going to take you here where you have to, or where you can apply scale to pages. So if you already know the drawing scale, this is actually the fastest option. So right here where you have scale, you have presets and you have custom. Custom is for when you want to calibrate or you want to add presets. But then if you already know, just go ahead and click on presets and open the preset list and choose the correct scale. So for example, it could be 1 by 10 or 1 by 8 inch 1 foot, or 1 by 4 inch 1 foot, just stuff like that. So let's just make it 1 by 8, and then precision is 1/4. So the next thing is to choose the measurement precision you want, and it just happened to do it automatically. So immediately I added the scale, it gave me the exact precision. And once you do that, you can actually decide to apply it to the current page or all pages. This is where you have all pages here, or you can choose a custom range. So once you're finished, just go ahead and hit the apply scale button, and you see that your drawing is now calibrated and ready for accurate measurement. Okay, so this is how it works. But then if you want to calibrate the drawing, that if you don't know the drawing scale, or you suspect the PDF was resized during printing or scanning, calibration is actually the best option. So in the apply scale dialog box, or just want to go ahead and click on tools, and you go to measure, and you go to set scale and this apply scale. So in this apply scale dialog box, just go ahead and click on custom, and then from custom click on calibrate. And once you click on calibrate, you see Bluebeam asks you to identify a known distance on the drawing, and just go ahead and click on OK. So just locate 2 points. You can just locate 2 points or locate an object or dimension with a clearly labeled measurement. So you click the first endpoint and click on the second endpoint. So you see that the dialog box appears asking for real world distance. So enter the known measurement exactly as it appears on the drawing. And the next thing is to choose the measurement precision. And once you do that, just go ahead and click on apply scale. So Bluebeam now uses the calibrated distance to calculate all future measurements accurately. So that's how it works. Now you can just go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.